Good morning, Christmas boy.
I was going to sleep.
You were going to sleep?
Yeah, but I peed down my Santa Claus pants.
Oh, did you?
It's alright.
Well, speaking of Santa Claus,
What?
go see, somebody came last night.
Where is he?
Anything under the tree for you?
Look at that.
I'm a plane truck.
Yeah, that's exactly what you asked Santa for. He brought it.
Mine. How's he open? How's the back open?
Push that button on the top.
What?
Yeah, that one.
I'm queen.
Yep.
Yeah, look at that.
Queen. Mom, there's a box.
That's all for you. You play with it.
I think. Hey, look at train. I can make the train go that way.
Oh, yeah?
I can make the train go that. Can you make that? That's. Where's your presents, Daddy?
I think Santa took them to Jane's. I'm going to get them later.
Oh,
To Nana's house.
Or Nana's.
but this is my present.
Yeah.
And Lime Queen. Lime Queen, his eyes can't roll. How are the buttons push?
Oh, goodness.
Ew. Houston.
Jimmy said Merry Christmas. Maybe we should see if Santa left us anything downstairs.
What?
Maybe we should see if Santa left us anything downstairs.
Yeah, our stockings are downstairs.
I can bring my little Queen truck downstairs.
Oh, you need some help?
There's a lot of stuff to trip over.
Yeah.
You could hold this.
Okay.
And I have a cart.
Okay.
That's very heavy.
It's very, very heavy.